जेन्ना आमी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक दिल्ली मेळटले तेन्ना आमी सेकंड डिमांड घातले तेजेर की आमकां जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन जाय, कित्याक दे डोंट अलाव अस टू इन्स्पेक्ट वॉट वर्क इज गोईंग ऑन देर सिन्स द मॅटर इन द कोर्ट. ते पासून आमी डिमांड करतले जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन ऑफ दॅट सायट. त्या सायटीर वचपाक गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आनी महाराष्ट्राचे गव्हर्मेंटाचे अधिकारी व मिनिस्टर सगळे, कित्याक दे हॅव नेवर अलाउड अस टू विजीट ऑफिशियली टू नो the illegalities or their plan of diversion. So the person, this is also will be a major demand before the environment minister. की ते जरी तर ताका दिवपाक दिसता जाल्यार आमकांय चोवपाक दिसता. अशें आमकांय दिसता गोंयच्या लोकांक की कित्याक चलना.
Karnataka government, they don't allow.
No, that's why even if we have prayed before the Supreme Court, allow us to go in their jurisdiction. आमकां खुबशे त्रास करता, आमचे ऑफिसर बी गेले जाल्यार ते त्रास करता. त्या पासून आवर डिमांड वील बी फॉर जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन.
कोण कोणा कडेन
ना, गोवा गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू बी अलाउड टू विजीट फॉर इन्स्पेक्शन
कर्नाटका.
आनी तो आमचो डिमांड कित्याक येता, कित्याक आफ्टर द अवॉर्ड इज गिवन, कित्याक इवन इन ऑर्डर टू फुलफील द अवॉर्ड इट इज लॉट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज इज रिक्वायर्ड. इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ डायवर्शन. विथ अवॉर्ड इज गिवन विथ detailed conditions. It is very difficult for the Karnataka state to fulfill those conditions, and that's why they may take any different course of action. So we are confident that they can't divert the water that easily, because the matter has to be legally fought. Minister, without the opposition parties, so all party delegations, it will be openly discussed.
Chief Minister was on record earlier saying that there is no need for this delegation to meet Prime Minister or whatever.
No, he never said.
He said that
he said, I will decide. If required, we will lead.
But he said his cabinet was quite capable of handling the issue. But what happened after that?
He really said, he said that if required, I will lead the delegation, all party delegation, to the central ministry or the Prime Minister.
So the cabinet met over this, discussed anything?
A few days have passed. The cabinet has taken place on Wednesday. This issue has cropped up on Friday. Wednesday we met as a cabinet. After 2 days this issue cropped up. That is last Friday. Approached the Honorable Union Minister, and if not, to the Prime Minister. We have a roadmap ready in this direction. Seriously, Madhyacho issue is very close to the people of Goa. I mean, North Goa, for the entire Goa is a very seriousness.
Don't you think that already damage is done for your party?
Yes.
By this clearance given by the center?
See, if I recollect, that time the issue cropped up when then Prime Minister has given in principle approval for diversion of water. At that time, in the year 2006, and that similar issues are there. And then I mean, the water resource minister are there. Manohar Parrikar has led that delegation to Honorable Prime Minister, and in the same way we have convinced him to keep in abeyance. So as a particular minister for environment has given, particular minister has given his concurrence without taking the other authorities like Central Water Commission, Ministry of Water Resources, Government of Goa. They were not taken into confidence by deciding this. That's why we are approaching Honorable Minister for Environment, Mr. Javadekar, to get it clarified under what circumstances he has given. Prime Minister's intervention to in this direction clarify की आम्ही CM कडे डिस्कस केले पहिले आणि आम्ही जे डिसिजन घेतले की जे भाशेन ते युनियन मिनिस्टरान ताका दिला क्लॅरिफिकेशन ऑर हेजेर रिस्पॉन्स दिला तेंच्या प्रपोजलाचेर ते पयले सुवातेर ताका आमी विथड्रॉ करपाक आमचो फर्स्ट डिमांड इज टू विथड्रॉ दॅट क्लियरन्स ऑर वॉट एवर क्लॅरिफिकेशन ऑर कन्सेंट आनी जरी तो ते विथड्रॉ कोना then आमचे सेकंड स्टेप्स आर टू अप्रोच दी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू इंटरव्हीन सो दॅट दिस हॅज टू बी विथड्रॉन. So A is here in this direction. I mean, we have allowed all the political parties to accompany us.
Chief Minister spoken with
Chief Minister दोन पार्टी उलयला. आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरान लेटरूय ताका ड्राफ्ट केला आनी हेच गोंयच्या चीफ मिनिस्टर आमच्या तेजे कडेन अपॉइंटमेंट घेतला. सो जरी तर ताका इंट्रस्ट नासलोली आमची सिरियस तर जाल्यार कुड हॅव अवॉइडेड गिविंग द अपॉइंटमेंट.
You would not have given them.
Yeah, he could have given time or ते पासून म्हाकाय दिसता आमचे कॉग्नायझन्स तेमी घेतना की आमकां हे कोणता येना हो डिसिजन रॉंग जाला.
Meet the Prime Minister now. It is
The
only
first step is to meet the Union Minister for Environment and Forest, Mr. Javadekar. And तेजे आमचे कितें हें आसा कित्याक he has written the letter. It's not a Prime Minister interference in this
So
issue.
if this issue is
As an environment minister, it is his responsibility to answer us. If he is not responding to our demands, responding to our request, then we will see that to approach Honorable